Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about x equals to u square, because if I put u square gone here and here, we can cancel about the square root. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of x, you got about number 1, so we have the x. First derivative of u square, we have 2u du. So number 1, we can simplify like this. So I will put u square going here, here, and here. The x we change by this one. The square root of u square, you got about u and u. U and u we simplify. Number 2, I will put outside. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equals to arctan of u. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides. And you got about 1 plus u square in here. So this one we change by t. Du over 1 plus u square we change by dt. The integration of t, we have t square over 2, and then we put about c. Number 2, we simplify. About t, that's about arctan of u. About u, that is about this one. So we put the square root for the both sides. And we got about u equals to the square root of x. So I will put this one to change for u. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.